Hello! Are you tired of constantly worrying about your finances? This monthly budget tracker is here to help. With just a few simple steps, you can easily track your expenses, set goals, and stay on the top of your finances. So, let's move toward the template. This budget tracker has a starting balance field where you can add the balance that you have at the start of your month. And it will also show you the track of your start balance and the end balance. Start balance means the balance that you have at the start of the month, and the end balance means the balance that you have at the end of the month. It also shows you the increase or decrease in total savings depend on the amount that you spend on expenses and the amount that you receive as an income. And it also shows you the amount that you saved or extra spent this month. Here you can see the expenses and the income chart that are connected to their respective tables. You can add a planned amount for each category. Let's say you plan to spend $950 on home, but actually due to some circumstances you had to spend $1,000. That means you extra spent $50. This difference shows you the difference of the actual amount and the planned amount. So let's move toward the income table. Here you can see that you plan to receive a payment of $1,450 through paycheck, but actually you received $1,500. That means you have an extra $50, and this will reflect the changes in this chart above. It will show you the total amount that you plan to receive as an income and the actual total amount that you received. And these expenses chart show you the actual amount you spent this month. And now these two tables, expenses and income, are connected to the table in the transaction sheet. You can add the date, the amount, the actual amount, and you can add the description if you want. From this drop down you can select the category, and when you add the data here in these tables, it will reflect in these tables. The table in this summary sheet. With this monthly budget tracker, managing your finances has become easier. Download this free template from the link in the description and start tracking your budget today. Say goodbye to the stress of managing your budget and hello to the financial freedom. Bye bye.